Hello and welcome to Nagaland Foodie. Today I'm going to show you how to make Machihan with taro stem that is in authentic Lotha Naga style. Machihan can be prepared in many different ways, like you can use some green vegetables or maybe some dried ingredients. But the most easiest way of making Machihan is by using only three ingredients. That is chili, that can be green chili, dried chili, or maybe some chili powder. And the other two ingredients are tomato and dried fish. So let me quickly show you what are the ingredients that I'm going to use for our today's recipe. So let's check it out.
Hey guys, if you haven't subscribed to Nagaland Foodie yet, then click on the subscribe button and hit the bell icon. Then select all option so that you don't miss out notification on our new videos. So these are the ingredients that I'm going to use to make machihan. This is the taro stem which I dried in my last video. This is some bamboo shoot juice. Here we have some chili powder, some salt to taste, Sichuan seeds, garlic, tomato. I'm going to use 2 tomatoes, and here I'm going to use Eling dry fish, but I'm not going to use the whole thing because this dry fish is quite strong, so I'll be using only half of it. Let's cut the dry fish into 2 halves, and we will be using only half of it. Firstly, we will be transferring some of the ingredients into the cooking pot. So here goes the tomato and dry fish. This is chili powder. And this is some salt to taste. And finally, some water to boil the ingredients. So firstly, we will be boiling these ingredients. Now let's boil the ingredients, that is chili, tomato and dry fish. We will be keeping it this way without covering it with the lid till it comes to boil. It has started to boil, so let's stir it once, and after that we will cover it with the lid. Before I cover it with the lid, I'm placing banana leaf to give some extra flavor in the chutney. But this is optional, so if you don't have banana leaf, it is not required. After boiling it for about 20 minutes, now let's check our machihan. Yeah, it has started to boil very beautifully. So now let's roughly mash the tomatoes and the dry fish. You may think that why should I cook these simple ingredients for such a long time? But the longer you cook, the tastier it is. So make sure that while you make machihan, you keep the fire in a very low flame and then cook it slowly. I'm trying to make dry chutney, and as you can see, the gravy has almost dried up. So now we will add the bamboo shoot juice, and after that we will keep it this way. After adding the bamboo shoot juice, we should not stir it, otherwise our chutney will smell more of bamboo shoot juice. So let's keep it this way without covering it, and we will let it boil. While we wait for the bamboo shoot juice to be cooked, let's roast the Sichuan seeds. Now we will roughly pound the roasted Sichuan seeds. Next, we will roughly pound the garlic. So after adding the bamboo shoot juice, we have been cooking for about 10 minutes and gravy has almost dried up. So now we will add the dry taro stem and we will mix it with the chutney. I'm not going to cook this taro stem for long because, like I mentioned in my last video, this taro stem actually is raw eating taro. And now we will add the last two remaining ingredients, that is roughly pounded Sichuan seeds and garlic. And after that you can mix it well and just turn off the flame. After turning off the flame, we will cover it with the lid and we will keep it this way for 10 to 15 minutes so that taro stem will get softer by the heat of this cooking pot. And here is our dry taro stem machihan in Lotha style. So guys, I hope you enjoy our today's video. Till then, keep watching Nagaland Foodie. I'll be coming back again with another recipe. So keep watching.